Okay, fellers and fellettes. Let's see what we got here with the PS power steering pump. Well, let's see. I already replaced that. There is the high pressure hose that goes to the power steering pump right here. I was hoping that was the problem, but nope. So now I need to figure out how to get off this here belt. I know how to get that off. I'll have to undo that and put in the new one. Some bolts. We'll see what happens. Alright, well, we drained the fluid with a little pump. I got the one thing I know how to do, which is the high pressure hose from the power steering pump. And we got that drained all in here. And that's what it looks like now. So I think next I'm going to take this one off here. And that connects up to, oh nope. What does that go to? Is that this one? Okay. So that goes to this here. Right there. So I'm going to take that one off now from there. Okay. Okay, I got a second hose off here. Snip that in from, let's see, I went from that hose there with this little doodad here, and went into that one. Not that one. That's the high pressure. That's the other one. Okay. Figured out the next step. Okay, let's try this some more. We've got this one up here. Can you see that? This has got a clampulator right there. So I'm gonna unscrew that and probably get a bunch right here in my grill. That's okay. It's fine. Okay. So just to make this twice as hard, I'm gonna try and hold the camera while I do the wrong thing. And use the wrong tool to cut this little gizmo right here, because I cannot get that gosh darn thing off. So maybe I can chisel at it a little bit. And not cut too much of it off to be useful. But you know, I always do it wrong. Probably have to just replace that, because I'm an idiot, but that's fine. It's all fine. Somehow this is working. I did not believe that it was going to work. Oh, and of course, I'm not even showing you. Huh? Here you go. Delicately cut with a dull knife. Perfect. Alright, with the help of my lovely assistant, got the belt off with the use of a tensioner. Let me show you the tensioner. Okay. This, right? Not this. Although I think you can loosen this to make it easier. This right down here, get the old 5/8 on there and pull that up. This thing all got loose. Look at that looseness. All right, time to snip off the power steering. All right, so I got the pulley off. I'm recording. And let's see what else we got here. Got the pulley off of the old PS pump. Now I could take these screws off. One. Got this one here. And this one there. Then I should be able to pull it off and put the new one in. I got it out. Wow, that was crazy. Alright, caught everything that we could. And there's the whole bracket that this thing goes in. I almost feel like it'd be easier to take it out. But we'll see. Don't know. Alright, I'll check it out. Alright, inspecting on the new unit. We've got the intake from the upper reservoir. Got our mounting locations there. Why is there 4 when there's only 3? I don't know. I better check that. Got to remove that. That there is the second one that goes to where the high pressure line business goes. Alrighty. And look, I marked. You can't read it. Maybe you can right there. I don't know. 2023? Who knows? Alright, so you can see the new one's snipped in there. Time to connect the hose here and up here, and then somehow get a pulley on, and then get this all to work again. Good luck, Larry. Sweet. So now I'm going to put this one back in. Goes in that top one up there, and then connects to this doodabby business right there. Okay, back in again. Probably can't see it, but got that hose. It's gonna go to that. So I need to install that onto here, because that should go on there super perfect and easy. Yep, not gonna show you. Okay, got on the lines back there. That one right there, and that one. And there's also one like way up top there. Somewhere, let me see. Can I get the camera to it? Yeah, well, whatever that is, maybe you could see it. I don't know what you're looking at. And then I have to get this pulley on. I don't know what I'm doing. We're gonna try it. Okay, I put in my power steering fluid and everything's clicked in. I'm gonna bleed it and then I should be done. A guy finds it very interesting after changing the power steering pump how much better the controls are on the highway at 65. See, before I would hold the steering wheel and it would go everywhere, and I have to catch it over here, catch it over here, catch it over here. With the new power steering pump, I got one hand and I just touch the wheel, and it goes in that direction until I turn it. I like it. Did I mention I can use my knee to drive? That's approved.